Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tomi. Thank you so much for sticking around and for always watching any of my videos, and welcome back. Today's video is quite an interesting one. Like, I just discovered this very important hack, and since then it's like been the best thing. We discover many things every day, and this is something that I'm sure many of us will be interested in and find very useful. So my mom came over and she was just telling me about some things, or I was just asking her, like, okay, how do I eliminate smells in the house generally? There are times that you have some very offensive odors. Let me just give you an example. Like, for instance, rats, pests. They are something that many of us don't like. We can't just stand them, and you want to just kill them. In the process of you killing a rat, you might not know where the rat has eaten or where it died, and it leaves this very offensive smell that is totally horrible, and you can't just stand. But in the process, how do you eliminate that smell? Spraying air fresheners, putting blocks and all that might not totally work for you. The smell will still linger and it will still be there. So what do you do when you want to eliminate smells or bad odors from your house? The thing you can use is the old-fashioned charcoal. Yes, this is charcoal in its pure and raw form. People use it to make fires and so many other things, like we all know. But charcoal has its many uses, and I'm sure most of us are not even like discovered some of the uses of charcoal. So if you want to eliminate a smell from your house, a bad odor from your house, or something that you just don't totally like, there are some times that you go into a place or a space and there's just some offensive smells that you don't know what died there, you don't know what is causing that smell. Air fresheners might not do the work, it might not do the trick, it might not do justice for you. Just grab a bag of charcoal like so. It has to be like in this kind of quantity. 1 or 2 blocks will not do. You have to have it like this. You don't need to scatter it around, you just need to have it just like this in a paper bag or a nylon bag or something, and just expose it wherever you want that smell to be eliminated from. If you stay somewhere that you can't grab this kind of charcoal, or you don't know where to get it from, not to worry. The other alternative is to get activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is usually sold like in a powder form, where it's sold in the paper bag. So just get that and just expose it, pour it into a plate or something that can be exposed, and leave it in that particular space that you want to eliminate the smell from. For 1 or 2 days, you'll be surprised that the smell completely goes away. There's no need for you to spray air fresheners. You might just waste your air freshener, you might just waste so many of things you're trying to use to eliminate it, and it won't address the root problem. So one of the best things you can use is charcoal. Just try it and I'm sure you'll thank me. When I discovered this, I was like, oh my goodness. If a rat dies, whatever smell I'm trying to eliminate, I just grab this bag of charcoal and I put it there. Exposed like this, and the smell goes, and you're good to go. No need for air fresheners, no need for you to look for how to eliminate that smell if you can't. So until I come your way again, guys, do stay beautiful and have loads of fun. Bye.